In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add pages in Adobe Illustrator. Now, if you're coming from software like Photoshop or Word, you might be looking for a traditional New Page button. But in Illustrator, pages are actually called artboards. Artboards let you create multiple designs, layouts, or variations all inside one single file. Whether you're designing social media posts, business cards, presentations, or multi-page PDFs, knowing how to add artboards quickly will save you a lot of time. So let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project. Once your document is open, look at your keyboard and press Shift+O. This activates the Artboard tool instantly. You'll know it's active because you'll see outlines around your existing artboard, and the properties at the top of the screen will change to artboard settings. With the Artboard tool selected, you can now create a brand new artboard. To do this, go up to the top control bar and click on the button labeled New Artboard. As soon as you click it, Illustrator will add another artboard to your canvas. By default, it usually places the new artboard next to your existing one, keeping the same size and settings. This is perfect if you're creating multiple pages with identical dimensions, like a carousel post or a multi-page brochure. Now let me show you an even faster method that many beginners don't know about. Instead of clicking New Artboard, you can simply hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, or Option if you're on a Mac. Then click and drag your existing artboard. As you drag, you'll see a duplicate preview appear. Once you release your mouse, Illustrator will instantly create a copy of that artboard in the new position. This duplication method is extremely useful because it copies not just the artboard size, but also its exact placement alignment. If you're building a consistent layout across multiple pages, this keeps everything perfectly organized. You can even drag while holding Alt in any direction, to the right, left, above, or below, depending on how you want your pages arranged. If you need to adjust the position after creating a new artboard, simply click on the artboard with the Artboard tool still active and drag it into place. You can also resize it using the corner handles if you want different dimensions for specific pages. Once you've finished adding and arranging your artboards, it's important to exit the Artboard tool so you don't accidentally move or edit your pages. To do that, just press ESC on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can press V to switch back to the Selection tool. The Selection tool is your default cursor for moving objects and continuing your design work. And that's it. That's how you add pages in Adobe Illustrator using artboards. Quick recap. Press Shift+O to activate the Artboard tool, click New Artboard in the top bar to add one instantly, or hold Alt and drag an existing artboard to duplicate it. Then press ESC or V when you're finished to return to normal editing mode. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy to follow Adobe Illustrator tutorials. I post regular design tips, shortcuts, and step-by-step guides to help you work faster and more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.